Hey, sort of part two, meeting someone last night on Grindr, which I don't go on too often, but anyone that's gay, or not anyone, but a lot of people that are gay, know the cycle. You get horny, or hopeful, or both. And you go on there, and I find that if you have a conversation that doesn't go back and forth more than 10, 20 times with someone, and you meet up that day or night, it usually works out the best. If you are communicating with someone for a couple days, a couple weeks, a couple months, I've communicated with people for years and never ended up meeting them. I don't know if anyone else has had that experience, but anyone that I've spoken with and agreed to meet up with has usually 90% of the time been a good encounter, or interesting, or not bad. Last night, 36, 37, South African. I'm a sucker for an accent and someone that has some depth. The weird part is birthday is within 5 days of my first long-term relationship. In the last 4 people that I've met in the past 7 months have all been Pisces within about a week of March 9th. What are the odds of that happening? Obviously, I attract a certain type of person for some reason. I don't know if that's good or bad. It hasn't been so good, but comfortable. Anyway, if anyone had this experience, let me know. Peace, love.